Hello everyone. Today's episode is actually going to be talking about the electronics of a large-scale weather balloon payload. So those of you who have seen my videos before might be like, oh, I've seen this video like 3 times, 4 times now. It's okay. This is like one of the last times for a payload-based weather balloon. So with any system, you want to start off with a big old battery. This is way over engineered for what we need. It's a Anker 100 watt-hour battery, so it's huge. And we've got it insulated, basically like a burrito, with foil on this side, and then we've got insulating foam on the outside, and then more layers of mylar. Additionally, we have 2 heaters, which are going to be powered by USB. And they can put out a total of 25 watts, but you know, it's going to be limited, obviously, by the Anker output, and that's kind of on purpose. We don't need that much power, we just need a little bit of resistor. Then, well, you know, just with a battery, that's just a thing you're setting up, but you want to track it. So we are going to be using the Light APRS made by QRP Labs. Super great little unit. We're using the standard version, not the Whisper Plus unit. Might experiment in that in the future, but for now we're just using the bog standard Light APRS. And then attached to it is just a knockoff Nagoya, because it'll work well enough and it'll do its job flawlessly. And then that will also be powered via USB, as it's just the easiest setup. I thought about adding a larger GPS antenna. Might still do it. Probably not, because this works pretty well. I haven't had any measured problems with it. And lastly, the main part of the electronics is, well, the Thumb Pro Run Cam. It's a 4K camera, and we're going to be recording both locally, as we've got a SD card on there, and then also it has support for FPV, which then brings in, oh yeah, this is going to be USB powered as well, which brings in our transmitter, and it's got its own antenna, which is going to be separate from the transmitting antenna, because this has priority. But yeah, so these will all be powered via the USB bank, and then the transmitter will leech off of the power from this, which is pretty nice. And that's about it. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye.